Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This week's message is all about oneness. It's easy to forget that you are not alone when so much of consciousness is encased in the body. I'm here to remind you that you are never alone. Remembering this comes from knowing it. And knowing it comes from moving the consciousness outside of the physical skin to connect with the higher realms and moving it back into the body from the higher realms inside the physical. Frequencies of connectedness, harmony, light, love. These are all within you, as you already know. Practicing this will increase and activate the higher frequencies already housed within your DNA. My desire is for you to know that you are blessed and loved and valued for more than just your purpose here. And while it can feel as if you have been moored in a strange place filled with darkness, you are also surrounded by both seen and unseen, sharing their light and love with you at all times. Call on us. Call on them. Make free moments to feel the surrounding of love that's always available to you. You are the bridge, the convergence of above and below. As the frequencies of the heavens pour into you, the frequencies of earth rise up into you. All meet within you if invited through intention and loving emotions. Be open, be welcoming, and be free of the expectation of results, and you will be amazed at the changes that come within and without. It's easy to do this. Begin where you are most comfortable in accepting that your higher consciousness is you. You may say, I and my soul are one. I invite my soul to align my frequency with its frequency. I love all aspects of myself. Others may begin with all aspects of me are invited and housed within my being now. I invite the totality of self to lift my frequency. I love and welcome all aspects of myself. Add visualization. Open the door to welcome a dear loved one. Embrace and allow your soul to come to you and lift your frequency. Hold that frequency within the body and allow it to encompass every aspect of your being. Create your own declaration of oneness and visualization. Play and have fun experiencing all the higher aspects of self. Feel free to share your experiences and thoughts below. Until next time, many, many blessings.